Yes guys, good evening. Yes guys, today we are on the way to Boracay Nightclub, which is located lang po siya sa Asiana Hotel sa Riga. So we're about to reach there na. So I think takes 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes na lang. So see you guys. So ito na naman. So it's our advance celebration because tomorrow is my birthday. Yan.
Take it slow.
Yes guys, we're on the way now to Boracay Clubs, which is located siya sa Asiana Hotel. Ito yung napakagandang Asiana Hotel. Pagpasok mo, ito bubungad sa iyo. Yes guys, sobrang nag-enjoy si Daddy John. Sobrang busog na busog yung mata niya dito sa Boracay Nightclub. Kaya wag na natin patagalin guys. Kailangan na natin mag-order ng pagkain na makauwi ka agad. Char lang guys. So yan. Meron pala silang offer dito, Pistang Pinoy. So meron silang putok batok combo platter and meron din silang chicken barbecue combo platter. So yung pinili namin yung putok batok combo platter kasama ang lechon kawali sisig liempo, may expansive chopped soy, and umorder din kami ng beer for Daddy John and iced tea for me. Ayan, cheers tayo! Yes guys, sa mga nagtatanong pala, yung price pala ng combo platter nila is for only 39 dirhams. Good for 2 na siya.
Ikaw mo kanta, erase sila. Ikaw mo kanta, erase sila.
Yeah, I let you celebrate, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. So sweet, it was you. Think I'll let you down. Oh Lord, I see you every time. You know
Yes guys, time to go home na. O yan, i-flex ko lang pala yung aking napaka-gentleman na asawa, si Daddy June. O ayan, diba? Shout out to Chloe San Jose. Kung meron kang Carlos Yulo, meron din akong Daddy June. O diba, napaka-gentleman niya. Bonggang-bongga. Ayan guys, once again, thank you for watching and have a nice day.